Hi guys, this is SenseMind3 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple videos on C programming and a C programming tutorial. Now this video is going to assume that you guys have basic background knowledge on programming and C programming. Now first of all, what you need to C program or C program is basically you need a compiler, which is what I have opened here. Currently I'm using a dev C++ compiler, but there are other compilers out there. I know there's one called Boardland Turbo C++. There's also goes by the name TC Lite. Basically, what a compiler does, it translates the programming code into a language that the computer can actually read and then show an output on. So we're gonna jump right in, and I'm gonna teach you guys basically the first program most programmers write, and it's called the Hello World program. So first of all, we're gonna come here and click New, and then we're gonna click Source File, and this little page opens up here. So let's jump right into this. So first line we're always gonna write is the include statement, and basically what the include statement is it's a statement that basically directs the computer to include the header file here that I have stdio.h, and it directs the computer to include that file, and basically that file is a precompiled program that tells the computer that this program is going to display an output, so it can display an output. Okay, so for the second line, we're going to type in main and open bracket and close bracket. So basically this line is called the main function, and basically as the name states, it is the main function, and this is where most of the programming language is going to go into. So this is where you direct what the program you want it to do, what's going to happen, what it's going to add, what it's going to compute, and all that. So basically after you type in the two parentheses, you're going to hit enter, and you're going to open a left brace bracket. It looks like this, and we're going to hit another enter, and this is where you're going to type all your fancy programming. So the next statement we're going to type in is called the Printf statement, and basically what this does is called the print statement, and the print statement basically displays whatever you want it to display onto the screen. So in this case, if we're going to open a bracket and open a quotation, you can type whatever you want. So in this case, we're going to type in hello world, and we're going to close quotation and close bracket, and inside the main function, always you're going to end it with a semicolon at the end. So that semicolon basically indicates that the statement is finished, so it won't get confused with the other statements. Next line we're going to type in is called system pause. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because system basically means it directs the program to the Microsoft DOS programming language, and when you open bracket and open quotation, you type in any DOS commands that you know. And pause basically, let me actually show you what it does. Pause. If you open up command prompt here and you type in pause, it does this: press any key to continue, and you press any key and it continues. So basically this stops the program from automatically closing right after it, because some programs, after you write them, you double click them to open it to see if it worked, and it just opens for an instant and closes, and so you don't see the output, but it actually is putting out an output, but you just didn't tell it to stop after it put an output. So this is basically telling it to stop. Next line we're going to type in is called the return statement, and basically this tells the computer to return back to the system. It's telling the computer to return to the operating system, and the 0 basically means it has returned a successful run. So this is basically the end point of it. And then we're going to hit another enter, and we're going to open actually close the brace brackets that we opened earlier on here. So this indicates the end of the program. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and click compile to see if anything's right. Oh, okay, so status done, errors no, warnings no, so it's all good. And then we're going to click run. And there we go, we have our program here. It says hello world, press any key to continue. Press any key. And there we go, it's done. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Later guys.